Hey, this is Rick. I'm going to give you an update on my PM-940M CNC 4-axis miller. I only have 3 axes on it. May use the 4th one day. But I got it all set up in my garage. It's about 1,500 pounds or so. Really nice, heavy duty. First thing I did was get rid of the junky Chinese end motion controller, and I replaced it with a Centroid Acorn motion control board. Much better logic. Software on it's far better. I put the power supply behind on the machine cabinet, and then did the controller board on 1032 stud standoff. Rewired everything. Big parts in the cabinet. There's a variable speed drive for the spindle. Cool thing about this machine, it takes 220 single phase, the inverter flips it to 3, and then with a 0 to 10 volt analog input, it does variable speed on the spindle, which is pretty cool. Main power supply on the machine is here. It takes the 220 and converts it to the various parts the machines need. Circuit breakers, and then the 4-axis stepper motor drives are down there. So got the back end all put together with the electronics. That took about a couple of weekends. And let me show you what came out of the machine. This is what I removed. This is the junky Chinese in-motion controller. It has normally open logic, so all their safety circuits are normally open and they only fail when they go closed, exactly the opposite of what you want to do. So much better software came on the CAD side. So one of the first things I did is I just wrote a really simple G-code program. Rather than have a tool generated, I wanted to program it myself so I could make sure I understood the machine. So now I've got the Centroid CNC 12 software. I've got a program loaded, and I'm going to hit the start button on it, and we're going to go watch the machine. So I just got a felt tip pen in there in lieu of a machine tool, and I'll let you watch what it's doing. It's going to draw first a 1-inch square, exactly 1 inch to the tallest machine. Now it's going to come to the base of part of the square, and it's going to drive 4 arcs to make basically a 1-inch diameter circle. Then it's going to go pretend like it's drilling. I just started the spindle, so pretend like it's drilling. That's 100 RPM. It's going to go drill a small hole. Drill the hole. Now it's going to draw a circle, another 1-inch circle right around it. So here it goes. And it's going to pull back up. And I think I'm pretty close to being ready to cut metal now I know how it works.